In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language in your Hostinger dashboard. If you recently created a Hostinger account and the dashboard is showing in a language you're not comfortable with, or you simply want to switch it to another language that's easier for you to navigate, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. The best part is that Hostinger makes this very simple, and you can change the language in just a few clicks directly from your dashboard settings. This works whether you're managing websites, hosting plans, domains, or email services inside Hostinger. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the language settings and how to switch the dashboard instantly. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials, just like this one. Now, let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and go to hostinger.com. Once you're there, log into your Hostinger account using your email address and password. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, also known as the hPanel. This is the main area where you manage your websites, hosting plans, domains, and other services. If your dashboard appears in a language you don't understand very well, don't worry, because the language setting is very easy to change. Just follow the next step carefully. Once you're inside the Hostinger dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This icon represents your account settings and profile options. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a small drop-down menu will appear with several account-related options. Inside this drop-down, you'll find the language option. This is where Hostinger allows you to change the display language of your entire dashboard interface. Click on the language option from that drop-down menu. As soon as you click it, a new window will appear showing all the languages that Hostinger currently supports. Hostinger supports multiple global languages, so users from different countries can easily manage their hosting with confusion. In this language selection window, you'll see a list of available languages. Simply scroll through the list and find the language you want to use for your dashboard. Once you find your preferred language, just click on it. As soon as you select the language, Hostinger will instantly update the dashboard interface. You don't need to refresh the page, and you don't need to log out or log back in. The change happens immediately, and all menus, settings, and navigation elements will now appear in the language you selected. This makes it much easier to manage your hosting environment, especially if English isn't your primary language or if you prefer working in a different language. If you ever want to switch the language again later, you can repeat the same steps by clicking the profile icon in the top right corner and selecting a different language from the list. It only takes a few seconds and can be changed anytime. This feature is especially helpful for beginners who are new to hosting and want a more comfortable dashboard experience while setting up their website, managing files, or configuring domains. And that's all there is to it. That's how you change the language in your Hostinger dashboard quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Hostinger tutorials, website guides, and beginner-friendly tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.